Hey guys, it's Prachi and today I'll be talking about a charcoal face mask that doesn't make you cry because it's not like one of those painful peel off masks. It's actually a very mild or very gentle face mask. You start seeing a difference from the first use itself. So even today when I try this thing out on camera, you should be able to see the results live on camera. Okay, honestly, I'm a little nervous now after saying that. If you want to just jump straight to the point where I apply this mask, you can jump to this point in the video. But before that, let me quickly review the activated charcoal face mask, which comes from Wow Skin Science. So when I said it doesn't make you cry, basically, I started getting a lot of comments on my channel saying that Prachi, does the charcoal peel off mask really hurt when you remove it and when you peel it off? But let me be very honest, okay? I love the peel off masks. I think they're amazing. But yes, they can be painful to remove, especially if you have sensitive skin or if you have a lot of facial hair. So I started looking for a mild option and then I found this on Amazon with a rating of 4.4, guys. Would you believe it? Like, I'll put the link down in the description box below. It has a rating of 4.4. You should go through the reviews. They're absolutely amazing. This one is currently available at a 19% discount and it's a pretty huge jar if you actually look at it. And it has a shelf life of 1.5 years. It can be used on all skin types, by the way. Also guys, I want to quickly mention this product is paraben free, mineral oil free, removes blackheads and whiteheads to some extent. If you have a lot of blackheads and whiteheads, you want to use it a little bit more regularly to just get them off. And it also detoxifies your skin, guys. Like when you apply this mask, you feel a very nice sensation on the skin. So you apply it just like any other regular face mask. And do you see the texture, guys? It's so rich and creamy. It's a very luxurious kind of a product, I feel. One more thing, guys, after applying this, you need to keep this on for 10 or 15 minutes. So I'll apply this and then I'll just shut off the camera and come back after 15 minutes, okay? Alright guys, so it's been about 15 minutes since I've had this mask on and I'm gonna go and quickly wash this off. However, before I do that, I just want to mention something very important before I forget, that it tends to leave stains on clothes and wash basin. Okay, so you want to be careful, and in case there is any stain anywhere, just very quickly wash it off with warm water and a little bit of soap. It will be gone. It's not actually difficult to remove. So on that note, let me go and quickly wash off my face and come back to you guys and show you what my face looks like. Alright, so I'm done washing my face, but as I think you can probably see, there are some traces still remaining now. So to finally remove it, what you do is you take a wet towel and then just very easily, very gently swipe it on your face to kind of clean up, whatever remains. Okay guys, that's it. The mask is gone. Now, one thing I want to mention here, guys, is that, this is like a regular mask in a lot of ways. But 2-3 things, like when you wash it off, it takes a little bit of time to come off, and also because I'm telling you about this mask in such a good video, it's very important for you to hit like to this video and subscribe to this channel. And also guys, if you have actually tried out this face mask before, let me know in the comment section below what you think about it, how your experience has been. And yes, keep coming back to this YouTube channel for more, and I hope you can see a difference on my face. So yes, that's about it guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye.